National Ceiling Fan Day. Let's get the turn both of them on. So kind of hard to see. Yes, two ceiling fans. That Coastal Breeze definitely spins up fast. That Builder's Best takes a little bit longer to speed up. Oh, that thing's noisy. Yes, I know it doesn't look good. I never had the original blades to this thing. I had some white Chesser tube blades on it, but that one broke and I don't have another one. So luckily a 42-inch Harbor Breeze ceiling fan is actually enough. Will work great on these. Her 42-inch Harbor Breeze blades works on, well, this 42-inch fan, but the stupid toilet part. Well, that one's off. So yeah, I really want to get something with cane blade in here, preferably a cane blade spinner or something.